Hello, welcome back to my recorded classes. So, this recorded class, we are discussing a topic from module 4, inclusion and exclusion principle. This is section number 4.3.3. That means 4.3 section, third topic. Okay, before recorded classes, I was uploaded the 4.3.1 as permutation and 4.3.2 as combination. Now this is the third idea, inclusion and exclusion principle. Okay, now let's start the topic here. What is this idea, inclusion and exclusion principle? You can see here. So the idea here, let A and B are two finite sets. A is a set and B is another set, finite set of objects. Then principle of inclusion and exclusion is an approach to find the elements of in the union of two sets. How to find the number of elements in the union of two sets. For example, here yellow colored set, that is the A set. Okay, all of you remember set how we are representing, correct? Before third module we have studied the ideas. Now for example, A, the yellow colored one is the A set and the blue color shaded is the B set. Okay, so number of A union B means the both set A and B, correct? A or B set, both sets we are calling number of elements of A union B equal to what we are doing for that one. If you want to find number of elements of A union B, first we are calculating number of elements of the set A, that yellow colored set full, correct? Then we are calculating number of elements of the set B, correct? But what happened, this portion coming two times. When we are taking number of elements of A, this portion will come. When we are taking number of elements of B also, this portion will come. Two times it is coming. So one time we delete that portion. Okay, that intersection portion, one time you are deleting. Then only it will balance, correct? So what we do, include number of elements of A and number of elements of B. Include. This is what principle of inclusion. Include this both set, number of A, number of B, both include. But delete that double entry, that intersection portion, exclude that portion, correct? Number of A intersection B. So this is the rule, number of A union B equal number of A plus number of B minus number of A intersection B. This is what the inclusion and exclusion principle. That means if you want to calculate the elements of A and A or B like this, A set or B, A union B set, number of A union B means, okay, what we do, first we take number of elements of A, correct? Then plus number of elements of B set, correct? Number of elements of B. Now already this whole portion came. But the intersection portion here, B set also come, A set also come, correct? Here it is there and here also there. But we don't want it two times. So what you do, just exclude number of A intersection B portion, correct? That intersection coming portion, one time you delete that one, minus these two add. So this is including portion and this is excluding portion, correct? So this is what the principle of inclusion and exclusion. What part we need to include and what part we need to exclude that one. Hope you understood that one, correct? Where number of A, number of B, number of A union B, number of A intersection B denote the cardinality. Cardinality means number of elements of that set and union intersection of this set and A and B respectively. Okay, now this is two set case. If you are getting two set, we can use this one, number of elements of A union B equal number of elements of A plus number of elements of B minus number of elements of A intersection B. Now if you have three set, what is number of elements of A union B union C, correct? How we can write this one if you have three elements set, okay? That means number of elements of A plus number of elements of B plus number of elements of C, correct? First we are writing the inclusion portion, number of A plus number of B plus number of C, then minus, take two set, first A, B, number of A intersection B, delete, minus number of B intersection C, delete, minus number of A intersection C, delete, plus include the portion number of A intersection B intersection C portion. Okay, this is what the rule. If you have three sets, okay, so what you do for that, we have three set, you can easily understood like this. If you have three set, for example, A, B and C, correct? So first number of A, then number of B, then number of C, correct? 1 1, number of A plus number of B plus number of C. Then take 2, first A, B, number of A intersection B, then number of B intersection C, then number of A intersection C, correct? Then all number of A intersection B intersection C plus, okay? So this is the idea, principle of inclusion and exclusion if we have three sets. Okay, so both rules we can memorize. Okay, number of A union B, number of A union B union C here. Hope you understood the idea what is the inclusion and exclusion, the simple idea. Okay, now we will come to the example. One example we are doing. Okay, we can see every student in a class has registered either in math for computing course or programming course. Okay, so what I am doing now, math for computing I am representing M letter. M letter means the course mathematics for computing. Mathematics for computing. And P I am using for representing programming course. Okay. Programming course I am representing by using the P letter. Okay. Now we can read the question. Every student in a class has registered either this mathematics for computing or programming course. So all the students in our class registered either the course mathematics for computing or the course programming. Okay, or both the courses also. Some students registered both computing and programming. Some of the students studied only computing or only programming, or both some of the students. Now, how many students are in the class? That is the question. How many students are in the class? Totally in a class, how many students are there? That means we need to calculate what is number of elements of math union programming. Okay, number of elements of the entire class, number of students of the in the class means number of math students and programming or programming student, both, correct? Full students. Now if these 38 students are registered in mathematics, you can just read, if 38 students are registered in mathematics, that means number of mathematics for computing students is 38. Okay, and 23 students in programming, that means number of programming students equal to 23, N of P. 7 students are in both courses. Okay, 7 students are in both of the courses. Both means intersection. So number of math intersection programming equal to 7. Number of students of both courses means they are studying math for computing and the programming course intersection. Okay, both courses, number of M intersection P equal to 7. So what is number of M union P? That is the question. Okay, so for that what you do, we have the rule for that one. We just now we studied number of M union P equal number of A union B, that rule, correct? So number of M, principle of exclusion inclusion, number of M plus number of programming minus number of M intersection P, correct? You can apply the numbers one by one. For example, number of math students 38 plus number of programming students 23 minus number of both means equal to 7 minus 7. So you will get the answer equal to 54 totally, equal to 54 students in the students are in the class. Number of students in the class means it is equal to 54. So instead of A and B, we are using M and P here, math and physics. Instead of A and B, usually we are using. So you can write the same rule only, whatever here we are using, number of A union B equal number of A plus number of B minus number of A intersection B. Okay. Now, sometimes the number of this notation, number of, correct, number of A union B, we are using the cardinality notation, number of A union B like this. Both are same. Either you can use this symbol or you can use the absolute symbol. Better to use N symbol because it will not confuse this absolute symbol. Absolute of A union B means cardinality of the set A union B, number of elements of A union B, same idea only. Okay, now let me go to the next question. So this question answer is 54. Here I am using the symbol cardinality symbol, correct? Absolute symbol. So we will get equal to 54. Okay, now let me go to the second question. Among a group of students, okay, among a group of students, 50 study physics, 35 study chemistry, 25 study mathematics. So what are the courses? You know, physics. P we are representing physics course. And C we are representing for chemistry course. Okay. And M we are representing math course, mathematics. Okay. Now we can read. 50 students are in physics. Number of P equal to physics students equal to 50. 35 students in chemistry. Number of chemistry students equal to 35. 25 students in mathematics. Number of mathematics students equal to 25. Correct? Now 9 students. These students physics and chemistry. Physics and means intersection. Okay. Physics intersection chemistry 9. So number of P intersection C equal to 9. 5 students study chemistry and mathematics. So number of students chemistry intersection mathematics. Chemistry and means intersection. Mathematics equal to 5. Correct? 4 students study in mathematics and physics. So number of mathematics intersection physics equal to 4. And 3 students study all these courses. All these courses means number of physics intersection chemistry intersection mathematics. All the course study, all intersection equal to how many? 3 students. What is the question? Find the number of students in the group. Group means in the class. That class, how many students are there? That means we need to calculate number of the students physics union chemistry union mathematics equal to. Complete group means always keep in our mind this union. Complete students, okay, all students. Number of physics students union chemistry union mathematics equal to how much? That is the question here. Okay. So what we are doing, if you have 3 set, we studied the rule. Number of elements of physics union chemistry union mathematics equal to number of physics plus number of chemistry plus number of mathematics minus number of physics chemistry mathematics physics. Take 2. Okay. Then plus number of physics intersection chemistry intersection mathematics. So all the numbers are given here. If you are applying, you will get answer equal to 95. So number of students in the group means what is the number? Equal to 95. I hope you understood. You can write all the rules like this, all the rules, and apply the numbers. All the numbers are given in the question. You can apply, you will get the answer. Easy question, that one. Okay, now let me start the exercise. Okay, we will do some model questions. This idea. Among a group of 450 students. Among a group of 450 students means what is the meaning? Group of 450 students means all the students. Union, correct? Union student. A group means union. Union of the students equal to 450 students. In an university, 200 students are taking course mathematics. So mathematics I can represent by M. Mathematics. 300 are taking course physics. Physics I am representing P. Physics course. Only 2 courses, correct? So number of mathematics is 200. 200 students are studying mathematics. Number of physics means 300. 300 students are studying physics here, correct? Now you can read again continuously. Every student has taken one of these courses or both. All the students in the class, either they are taken mathematics or physics or both. How many students are studying both mathematics and physics? That is the question. How many students are studying both means intersection, correct? Both mathematics and also intersection. Both mathematics and physics course. That means number of mathematics intersection physics equal to how much? That is the question. Number of mathematics and physics, and means intersection. Now first number, what is the meaning? Among the group of 450 students means, as I told you, number of mathematics union physics. Group means union, 450, correct? Complete students, 450 students. So what is M intersection P? That is the question here. So we can answer the question. First we are writing the rule. Number of elements of M union P, A union B equal to number of M plus number of P minus number of M intersection P, correct? Equal. What is number of M union P here? You can see 450, correct? So 450 equal number of mathematics means 200 plus number of physics students means 300 minus number of mathematics intersection physics we need to calculate. Now you can simplify. So 450 equals 200 plus 300, that is 500, minus number of M intersection P, correct? Now take a number of M intersection P to the next side, so that you can delete that negative sign. Minus number of M intersection P means number of M intersection P equals, already here 500, same 500, 450 take to next side, minus 450. So 500 minus 450 means it is 50. So number of the people studying math and physics is 50. This is the idea of that question by using principle of inclusion and exclusion principle. Hope you understood. Okay, now let me go to the next question. It is too many wordings are there. You can read that wordings. Okay, the question. There are 785 students residing in a university hostel. One or two or all three studying one or two or all three courses: mathematics, physics, and computer science. Okay, so mathematics I am writing M. Okay, then physics I am representing P, and computer science I am representing C, CS, correct? Computer science I am representing C letter. Now we can answer. There are 785 students residing at a university hostel. Complete students. Correct? How many students are there totally? 785 students are there. So number of M union P union C equal to 785. Completely 785 students residing in a university hostel. Complete university student hostel in a university hostel is 785 students. Now you can read here. Among them 300 students are studying mathematics. So number of mathematics equal to 300. Correct? Then 350 students studying physics. So number of physics equal to 350. And 450 students studying computer science. So number of computer equal to we can say 450. Then 75 students studying physics and computer science, and means intersection. Physics and number of physics intersection computer science equal to 75. Then what is next? 150 students studying computer science and mathematics. So number of students computer intersection mathematics equal to 150. Okay, now again you can read. Okay, 10 students are studying all these three courses. So number of math intersection physics intersection chemistry. All these courses means intersection of all courses equal to 10. Correct? I hope you understood all this idea. Now what is the question? Find how many students are studying mathematics and physics. So number of the students mathematics and means intersection physics equal to how much? This is the question. Okay. So we have 3 set here. So we can write the rule for 3 set. Number of elements of, what are the courses? Math, physics and chemistry. So number of math union physics union chemistry equal to, what was the rule? Number of students in math plus number of students in physics plus number of students in chemistry minus number of elements of math intersection physics minus number of physics intersection chemistry minus number of mathematics intersection chemistry plus number of mathematics intersection physics intersection chemistry. Correct? Just writing the rule. Now apply the values one by one. For example, number of M union P union C, all union, total students is how many? 785 equals number of mathematics students 300 plus number of physics students 350. Correct? Plus number of chemistry students 450 minus number of M intersection P. Correct? That is what we need to calculate. Number of M intersection P minus number of P intersection C, physics and chemistry 75 minus number of math intersection chemistry, that is 150 plus all the course intersection is 10. Correct? So if you are simplifying, 785 equals, okay, all other numbers you can add. For example, here we have 300 plus 350 plus 450 minus 75 minus 150 plus 10. Correct? Totally 885 will get it. 885 minus number of M intersection P same. Now simplify and you will get answer. Minus M intersection P take here, because we can delete that negative side. Number of M intersection P equals 885 already here. 785 take to next side minus 785. So totally how many we got? 100. So how many students are there in math and physics? Number of students in math and physics is 100 students. So this is the idea here in the 3 sets by using principle of inclusion and exclusion. Correct? Hope you understood the idea, this section. Okay, only this idea. So thank you for watching. Please share and subscribe my channel. Please like my videos. Thank you very much.